Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet a flower greeting card. This one is going to my friend Terry Dillon as a thank you card. By the way,
please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter.
For the flowers, I'm using small amounts of Red Heart's Baby Hugs light yarn and a size F hook. To begin, make a magic ring, which is just a very loose slip knot. And then chain 4. In the ring, make 1 half double crochet stitch, followed by a chain 2. Here's our second half double crochet, followed by a chain 2. Third half double crochet, followed by a chain 2. And finally, our fourth half double crochet, followed by a chain 2. Slip stitch to the second chain of the original chain 4. Pull your starting tail to close the ring. There should be 5 spaces in this ring. Slip stitch to the first space. Chain 4. In this space, make 5 treble crochet stitches. 1. Might have to move the stitches over a bit to fit all of them. 2, 3, 4, and here's our final 5th treble crochet. Chain 4 again. Slip stitch into that same space. Here's our first petal. Now, slip stitch into the next space. Chain 4. Same thing as before. Make 5 treble crochet stitches all in the same space. 2, 3, 4, and here's our final 5th treble crochet. Chain 4 and slip stitch into the same space. You will continue doing this process for the remaining 3 spaces. And here's the finished flower. I like to glue a gem onto my button and then hot glue the whole thing onto the flower. I also like to take a blank card with a little border design on it already and decorate it a bit with strips of cardstock paper and the word thank you that are all glued onto the card. Then I just lay my crocheted flowers and buttons onto the card and hot glue them. And here is my finished flower greeting card.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.